Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings, open it now and go straight to Maps. Once there, find the Distances or Preferred Units option. This is the primary control for map units. You do this first because many apps read the map's preference directly. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and updated. Otherwise, the option may be hidden. After you locate Distances, pause here. The next step changes the unit itself, and it only takes one tap. Now tap Distances and choose Kilometers. This tells Apple Maps to show kilometers instead of miles. You'll see distances change right away in previews. That visual feedback confirms the switch. If you don't see a distances setting, make sure your region's measurement system is metric under Settings, General Language, and Region, because Maps can inherit that. Once done, make sure to relaunch Maps so it reloads the display rules and reflects the new. Finish by opening Apple Maps and checking a route. Confirm distances read in km. If you don't see kilometers, force quit Maps and open it again because the app may need a restart. If that fails, change your region measurement to metric, restart the phone, and update iOS. These steps resolve most conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: reset location and privacy under Settings, General Reset if Maps still ignores unit preferences. This clears permission glitches that can block settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.